The exact identity of the first person who ate natto in Japan is not known, but there are a couple of legendary stories about its origin. One story attributes the origin of natto to the samurai Minamoto no Yoshiie from 1039 to 1106. He was on a campaign in northeastern Japan between 1086 AD and 1088 AD. One day, his troops were attacked while boiling soybeans for their horses. They hurriedly packed up the beans and did not open the straw bags until a few days later, by which time the beans had fermented. The soldiers ate it anyway and liked the taste, so they offered some to Yoshiie, who also liked the taste. Another story involves Prince Shotoku from 574 to 622, who is said to have wrapped the leftovers of boiled soybeans in straw bags for his horse, as people happened to eat these fermented beans and found them delicious. This type of fermented stringy beans soon gained popularity in Japan because of its unique taste and strong flavor. It's also worth noting that the first natto is thought to have been an accidental discovery, most likely after cooked soybeans were left out in a warm environment. It became commercially available in the 1800s, leading to a huge boom in its popularity.